cake. Oh, it looks too pretty to eat. The only thing that would make it better is if it were bigger and on wheels. A giant cake on wheels? I like the sound of that. Then you would be the perfect person to help us decorate our Princess Parade floats. Should I sign you up? The decorations will be edible, of course. Yes, we can eat the floats after the parade. Tippy, write that down, please. And take notes while the princess brain percolates. Eat floats. Got it. We need a color scheme for our floats. What color should they be? Pink, of course. Pink. And we need a theme. Brainstorm, go! Toe shoes, measuring cup, sparkles, sprinkles, radishes with syrup, tea. Tea! That's it! The floats will look like giant teacups with saucers big enough to sit in, and peppermint spoons, and giant cookies, and it'll all be pink! Pink. Let's get started. This may get messy, so you'll want to wear these. Messy? But messy isn't very princessy. And this little apron won't cover my whole dress. You're sure you can bake like that? Of course I'm sure. I'll use my balance and grace to stay clean. Whoa! And you thought this wasn't a good idea. Okay, everybody, let's see the wave. Nice!